trash. Everything work. Very careful. And take it. There we go. That's this one. We get more. The plant. Welcome to the farming, in the farm with the Rasta man. Well, I'm preparing land now to put in crops. So I'm cleaning up and burning. So do some subscribing and follow up to see the end of what's gonna come from this land in the farm. And I'm here to see you and you're here to see me. Just subscribe at all times so we can get this thing going, that you can see more how to start a farm, how to deal with it, and how the Rastaman, this Rastaman, deal with farming. So we're gonna move ahead and keep on cleaning and get the land prepared. So we are here now at the start. This is the start of the first start of doing things. You have to prepare the land. And after you prepare land, you get rid of the rubbish off the land, burn it out. Or you can just leave it on the land, but for the new start, as it new start, you know, you just burn it out so these things can come out of your way. And then I'm gonna measure up and dig my holes. And from there, you follow me on my page and continue with this farming to where we gonna start reaping some stuff, where you can see what is grown, what I plant, and what farm is all about, from the start to the reaping of the fruits and vegetables. So I'm in the motion of preparing the land by getting rid of the grass that I already weed off the land, burning them out so I have a clear view and a clear land to work with. Nothing in my way but just pure land. So this is what I'm doing right now, cleaning up. As you see, I'm doing. Get this land up, clean, prepared, so that we can do the necessary. What? Look at that, you know, there's any people that watch me, I don't know where. You know, it's spectators. This is how we prepare the land. By removing the heavy grass that is dried, burning it out, so we can have the land to start. You have some pepper, you know? Right, you. Goodbye. this clean up so that I can get easier cleaning up the plant, the pick on the plant. This is what we're doing, taking off the mess, taking off the excess trash so that you can work very carefully and safely. This is a preparing of the land. Get what you want. Get the plant in the land. So that's what we have to do. Clean up. Made all of these lines and sticks. Just run some of yes. Get rid of that out of the way. Get the grass, leave grass. And get the fire to it. Okay, I'm going to set these afire and burn them out. Can look clean so that we can get on with the planting. Gotta get the drier one. There we go. Yeah. Catch this one. Yeah. Put all of these together and burn them out. Yeah. Well, as you can see, I started this morning digging the holes to put in the trees and thing. So I'm just carrying on right now. I have a break and I'm carrying on right now with the rest for the day. So this is how you deal with planting the banana and the plantain. You have to dig the hole first. I do my farming, I measure everything that I do, so I can get enough by planting in measurements. You get more in than what you just normally dig the hole and plant the banana and the plant. This is what we're doing. Preparing the soil. Yeah. You get more to plant. But when you just plant, just dig hole and plant like that, you don't get everything where you want it. So this is why I do this. This is how I farm as a farmer. So we're just going through the process of preparing the land and the holes so that we can put in the trees. Okay. The measurement is to give you everything in the land. It's a machine, so you have to set the land and set the plant that the machine can go through the land and clean it how you want it and not destroying the plant. So this is why I use measurements. When you use a machine to clean your land and to use the machine to help your farm, you have to work with the machine, so you have to set the land for the machine to go through when it needs to be cleaned again. So each hole that I dig is 8 feet apart. You're giving the plant the space to strive. So that's why I use broom to stretch his leaf out and bear the fruit and give you the best fruit from the tree. At least 10 feet, which would give you still even better. But put them in, this can work this way, so I'm just using this method. And we have other more land to clean and to put in, and we'll change the spaces how we put in, how we plant. So we plant in this piece of land one way, and when we go to the other land, you see different ways of how we do things in farming. So right now we're just going ahead and preparing the land for planting. So we take it from here, and when we go planting, you will see how the stuff strive and how they grow from start. we'll follow up on that and you will see what's happening then. So all we're doing right now, going ahead. Yeah. No, but I did, you know. No, but I did. Hey. Can't put a banana trees. So let's go around. Yeah. Okay. Where does it say you want it? Yeah. A lot of work. When it's done, beautiful. From this side here, going down, this is where I'm putting some cocoa. It's about 27 feet apart, going straight down to the place I cleaned, where I cleaned. And then over this side we're doing these holes for the plantain and the banana. This is where I'm putting the plantain and the banana. That's why these holes are a little bit wider than the ones over there where the cocoa is going. So there's two separate things I'm putting in. Cocoa, plantain, and banana. So this is the preparing to start. So going in the future, you will see what next when the planting is ready. We're going to plant cocoa, plantain, and banana. And then from there, you will see how they come. This is what I did for the day. So I'm done for the day. And just remember to continue. So try remember to subscribe.